Hello! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to edit the controls menu on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the controls menu. And here we have it. This is the controls menu. And as you can see, we have a bunch of icons in it, basically shortcuts for different functions, and we can edit this menu. To do it, we need to scroll all the way down and tap on this big edit button. And what we can do is basically a couple things. We can remove the icons from the menu. So for example, we can find the one we want to remove, tap on the minus icon on it, and it's gonna be moved to the more category right here. It's gonna disappear from the menu. We can add the icons. So you can scroll down, find the more category rather, and tap on the plus icon on the shortcut to add it to the list, like this. And if you want, you can also move the icons on the list. You can change the order. To do it, simply press and hold on one, I believe. And then, yes, then you can drag it through the list and drop it in the place you want it to be. And once you're done editing, you can scroll down, tap on done, or press the crown button. And here we have the icon we added and moved, as you can see. And once you're done, you can press the crown button again to exit the controls menu. And that's how you edit the controls menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.